Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my quick and healthy breakfast scramble. What you will need is avocado oil, sweet potatoes, onions, bell peppers, kale, and avocado, salt and pepper, and hot sauce optional. You're going to start off by doing a rough chop of all of your ingredients. Doesn't need to be perfect, you can take my chopping skills for example. Then you'll move over to the stovetop where you're going to heat up your avocado oil. Add in the sweet potatoes and saute them for about a minute or two before you add in your onions. Let them saute for another minute or so and then you're going to add in your bell peppers. Stir everything around and let them sit for a minute before you throw in your kale. You're going to let the kale cook until they shrink a bit, and then afterwards you can add in your salt and pepper to season everything. After everything's reduced down, you can make a well in the middle and add in your egg whites or your whole eggs, whatever your preference, and just let them cook and scramble everything together. Once the eggs are cooked, you're ready to plate, top with some avocado and hot sauce, and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more simple, easy meals like this one.